Looking for chic hairstyles that don't scream for attention but still turn heads? These 20 subtle yet stylish looks are perfect for you. 1. Soft layered bob. Light layers add texture without being too bold, perfect for women with fine hair who want movement. 2. Shoulder length lob. A sleek lob that works for all ages, giving a polished yet understated vibe. 3. Wispy curtain bangs. Add softness to the face, ideal for round or oval shapes. 4. Low messy bun. Effortless, chic, and perfect for busy mornings or casual outings. 5. Long straight cut with middle part. Timeless style that frames the face beautifully, best for oval faces. 6. Subtle balayage waves. Natural waves with soft balayage highlights for a sun-kissed finish. 7. Loose side braid. Simple yet chic, perfect for everyday wear or casual events. 8. Polished ponytail. Sleek low ponytail that looks professional and elegant. 9. Chin length bob. Minimalist cut that enhances jawline definition, ideal for straight hair. 10. Soft half-up twist. Romantic half-up style, great for dates or semi-formal occasions. 11. Straight hair with blunt ends. Clean and modern cut, perfect for fine to medium hair. 12. Side-swept long layers. Adds movement and femininity, flattering for square face shapes. 13. Low sleek bun. Polished and professional, ideal for work and formal events. 14. Natural loose waves. Casual waves for an easygoing yet stylish everyday look. 15. Shoulder length cut with layers. Softly layered for volume, suits women with thin hair. 16. Elegant chignon. A timeless and subtle updo, perfect for weddings or formal evenings. 17. Collarbone-length straight hair. Chic and versatile length that flatters nearly every face shape. 18. Loose side ponytail. Soft and casual, a great option for daily wear. 19. Classic French twist. Sophisticated yet understated, ideal for elegant gatherings. 20. Long hair with face framing layers. Adds movement and highlights facial features without being too bold.